Hi, Ritvik. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. So, Ritvik, let me open your resume.
So, wait for us. Sir,
Okay.
I mean, you will share or whether I want to share, sir?
You can share it on your screen. That
Okay,
would
wait.
be good. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You know how to share it on Google Meet?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
So, is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it is getting loaded. Yes, it is visible. So, Ritvik, can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sir. So, myself, Rutvik. So, currently, I graduated from Srividyaniketan Engineering College.
Mm-hmm.
So, I am interested to work in Java, sir. I mean, full stack Java,
Okay.
and I am somewhat good at problem solving.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Ritvik, can you tell me more about your project? I can see
So,
agriculture-based web
yes,
application.
sir.
Yeah.
So what happened is, our group consists of 5 members, me and
Mhm.
some of my colleagues. So
Okay.
I mean my friends. So what we have done is we have developed a website which is related to farmers.
Okay.
That website there is lot of information like what are the schemes available for farmers, and we have developed a separate login for farmers and suppliers. Suppose
Okay.
farmers want something, I mean, suppose farmers want something
Hmm.
related to any farming, so they can log in their login ID and can they request to suppliers. So
Okay.
suppliers receive that request and they will process the request and will submit. I mean, they submit what are the things that are asked by farmers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
So we have used languages like HTML, CSS, and SQL for backend. For backend, we have used SQL, and for
Hmm.
front-end purpose, have used HTML, CSS. Sir.
So, Ritvik, I want to understand how are you calling SQL from HTML?
So, sir, I mean, it is not my part, sir. I mean, I work on front end. My friends on work on back end,
Hmm.
but
Okay. Okay. That is
yeah,
fine. So, Ritvik, since it is a mock interview, right?
yes, sir.
So, not knowing how it is getting called is fine here. But when you attend a real interview, right? Even
Yes,
though you don't know much, but you should know that how you can call, because from HTML directly you cannot call SQL,
yes,
right?
sir.
And you have not mentioned that which language, programming language was used in your project. Okay. So what will happen? They will come to know that either you have worked on a small part of this project or you have not worked at all, right?
Okay.
So
Mm.
try, since you are a fresher, try to add more details about your minor major projects. Okay.
Okay.
And if it was a group of friends, then please mention the team size, right?
Oh,
And
okay.
also mention your role in that, so that interviewer knows what to ask. Otherwise, what he will do, he will start asking anything about your project,
Oh, okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
So try to add more details and then get your resume reviewed again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Definitely,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
For modifying, I will share
Yeah.
to you. You can verify, sir.
Yes. And since you mentioned that you want to be a Java developer, in your project, you have not even mentioned Java.
Yeah, sir. I have not mentioned Java because it is not related to Java, na, so that's why not mentioned.
Mm-hmm. But if I see your resume, okay, you have mentioned in skills Java. Okay.
Those my skills, sir. So I am somewhat good at Java and SQL.
Mm-hmm.
Up to intermediate, I can solve the problems. I mean,
Okay.
problems related to Java.
Okay. Okay. So, Ritu, can you write a program to swap two numbers?
Yes, sir. Why not?
Yeah. Please write it.
Okay, sir. Wait, I will share my
Yeah.
notepad. So is my screen visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible.
So, sir, I want to write from starting onwards, or I can expect pseudocode is enough.
No, you can simply write the logic because
Okay,
writing those class and all is waste of time.
okay, sir.
Yeah.
So what I will do is, I will consider a temp variable.
Mm-hmm.
I will store uh, the number that I want to save. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose. Uh,
Ritvik, do one thing.
uh,
Write your variables that we want to swap. So write int a equal to 2 and int b equal to 3. Okay.
okay, sir. Yeah, that will be enough. Right.
Yeah. So after this, your program should have a as 3 and b as 2.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sir.
Okay.
So I
Mhm.
want to swap, right? So what I will do is I will
Yeah.
consider a temp variable, which is
Okay.
type of int.
Uh-huh.
So I will store in temp variable a.
Okay.
So in temp variable I stored a. I mean in temp variable 2 is stored, right?
Yeah. Right.
So what I will do is I
Mm-hmm.
want to swap, right? So I will
Yeah.
exchange. I mean I will store in terms of a. I will store b.
Okay.
So I will store b.
Mm-hmm.
That means, in variable, I mean in a variable, we stored b. B
Okay.
value is present.
Mm-hmm.
Now again in b, I will store temp variable, right?
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
it's successfully set.
Okay. Very good. So, Ritvik, now you have to swap these two numbers without using temp variable. Can you do that?
Without using temp variable.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Wait a second. I will think about that. Hmm. So, I mean, without using temp variable, want to swap, right, sir?
Yes, right.
Mm, mm, so,
Ritvik,
yeah, sir.
when you are thinking right,
Yeah.
let sorry, let your interviewer know that I am trying to think and think it loud. Means whatever you are thinking, try to speak as well. Okay, so that
Okay.
interviewer doesn't lose the interest in your interest in your interview,
Okay, sir.
right? So
Yeah.
you can start discussing with him or just speak something in between, right? If you keep quiet and even you are not writing anything, then interviewer may think that you don't know and you are just wasting time,
Oh, okay, sir.
right?
Yeah.
So if you are not able to think it through, this is fine. Okay, but we had shared a video for this
Oh,
in our Telegram channel,
okay.
right? And
Yeah, sir.
I'll tell you, this is the most frequently asked interview question for 0 to 2 years of experience, right?
Okay.
And when we are mentioning that I am good at problem solving, this is the most basic question. Okay, so
Oh,
they
okay.
so prepare this bell. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Let us move to SQL part of it. Okay, can you let us write the description of one table. Okay,
Okay.
there is one table employee.
Hmm.
Okay, you can start writing on your notepad. Okay, after that we will write queries on it. So there
Employee.
is one table employee.
Okay.
Okay, it has columns as ID,
Okay. I'm ready.
name,
Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
hmm. Then you have department, and then you have salary. Okay, don't write data type for now. Just write ID, name, department, and salary. Okay,
Yeah, sir. Done.
Now I want you to write a query to find out name of employees whose salary is greater than 10,000.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So greater than 5,000.
Great. Anything. You can take any value.
Okay.
Okay.
So we want to select the columns. I mean, we want to select the rows whose
I want to
salary
select
employee is more
name.
than 500.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes. Right.
So, so what I will do is I will do select statement by using select clause.
Write it.
Select entire row, right?
Yeah.
ID. I
No,
mean,
no. Just select name.
okay, name. Name is
Yeah.
enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
From which table I want to retrieving, right? That I want to mention that table, right? So from
Yeah.
class, I'm
Yeah.
mentioning employee table.
Okay.
I mean, by using which attribute I am filtering the rows, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
for purpose I want to use where class from where,
Yeah.
from which attribute we are filtering.
Mm-hmm.
We want to mention that. So, for that purpose, I am using where class from
Okay.
where salary. So, we are using salary attribute, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
salary greater than 5,000.
Okay.
So, it
Very
will retrieve all the rows that are greater than 5,000 from the
good.
database employee,
Okay.
from the table employee.
Okay. Very good. So now I want to change this query, okay, to give me only those employees whose salary is greater than 5,000 and their name contains Ram. Okay. So if I have one employee whose name is Ram, that should come. Then
Okay.
one employee has name as Mani Ram, other one has Dhani Ram.
Hmm.
Okay. These only should come if their salary is greater than 5,000.
Okay. Based
Okay.
on, I mean, those who had name Ram and
Yeah.
salary greater than 5,000.
Yeah. Whose
So,
name contains Ram.
yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
So, as you are saying, I mean, we want to include another condition by using and.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and that means you are mentioned that name equal to Ram, right?
Yeah.
So, name equal to Ram. That's enough. Yeah.
Ritvik, will it give me Dhani Ram as output?
Yeah, sir. If we, I mean, if you use another syntax like, if you
Yeah.
use like,
Yeah.
then it will
Yes. Make use of
retrieve
like. Yes. Make use of like.
unlike equal to. You are saying that, I mean, prefix can be anything, but the name end should with Ram, right? So
Yes.
that is a percentage number.
Yeah.
What we'll do is, if suppose Dhani Ram,
Yeah.
Nagram, it's all
Yes.
will be filtered by using like.
Yeah. But you will have to write name like. No, only
Yeah,
like will not work.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry for
And
that.
equal to doesn't come after like. Okay. Because we are mentioning like, we are not comparing it. So equal to sign is not
Yeah,
required.
yeah. I forgot to added that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Ritvik, do you know what is an exception in Java?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So exception is nothing but it is caused mainly due to the programmer's mistake.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Due to programmer's mistake, the exception will be arise. We can handle by using try catch block.
Mm-hmm.
So the exception is of two types: compile time exception, runtime exception. Compile
Okay.
time exceptions is mainly based on system resources.
Okay.
Runtime exception is mainly based on users' fault.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Very good. Ritvik, do you know what is an interface?
Yes, sir. Yeah, interface. I mean, we can achieve abstraction using two classes. I mean, two class, abstract class and interface.
Mm-hmm.
So in abstract, we can't. I mean, we can achieve 100% abstraction, 100% to 0%. I mean, 0 to 100% abstraction. But in
Okay.
interface, we can achieve 100% abstraction.
Okay.
Yeah. So interface, what we will do is we will declare the methods without implementing that.
Mm-hmm.
If any class implements that interface, it must and should define that method. Otherwise, if you don't define that method, we want to name that class as abstract.
Okay. Okay. So, do you know in Java 8, we can now have
Yeah,
implementations of
default
methods.
and static methods, right?
It's default methods.
Default and static method. I mean, from Java and Java 8 onwards, what I have done is we can in interface we can define both default and static methods.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Very good.
yeah, we can override that methods while implementing the class, and we
Mm-hmm.
want to change the definition of that method.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ritvik, can you tell me the difference between string and string builder?
Yeah, string in string what we have done is, I mean, what we can do is when we create an object, we can't modify that object, right? I mean, it is
Mm-hmm.
very immutable, right?
Okay.
So, but in string builder, what happens is we can immutable that object. It is
Okay.
the major difference present between them.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Now do one thing. Write a system.out.println. Okay.
Okay.
And inside that write 10 plus 20 plus high. Okay.
Okay.
Write it.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. And now write another, copy paste this. Hmm. Now write hello in the starting. So system.out.println, then hello. Yes. Hmm. Remove that plus from the beginning.
Yeah.
Hmm. Can you tell me the output of these two? What will be printed?
So, so as compile follow from left to right.
Mm-hmm.
So 10, 20 will be added.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be, so sum of addition of 10 plus 20 will be 30.
Mm-hmm.
And compiler will, I mean, compiler will see the string. So what compiler do is it will add 30 plus high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
As well, I mean, compiler will read from left to right, right? So 10
Yes.
plus this will be added and 30 plus string. So 30
Hmm.
high.
Okay.
Here what here also from left to onwards compiler will read, it will thinks hello
Mm-hmm.
1020 as a string, it will consider 1020 as a string, so output will be hello 1025.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, once if compiler encounters any string, it will consider from that point onwards, it will consider entire row as a string
Okay.
and entire expression as a string.
Yes. Right. Very good. So, Ritvik, have you read about Java 8?
No sir, no, not, no sir.
Okay. So now what is happening, right? In industry, almost every company is at least using Java 8. Okay.
Yeah.
So what the chances are that they will definitely ask Java 8 in interview.
Okay.
Okay. Because now they are going to upgrade, almost every company is upgrading their Java version to 17.
Mm.
But
Yes, sir.
at least every company is now on Java 8.
Okay.
So when we were freshers, right, at that time Java 5 was very popular.
Okay. Mm.
So we had read Java 5, but
Mm.
now Java 8 is mandatory.
Okay,
So
sir.
you will have to read what new features have come in Java 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard of something called as streams?
Streams API, sir.
Yes, streams API.
I no, sir. I don't heard about that, but I listened somewhere from my
Mhm.
faculty.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ritvik, for now we will end our interview here itself. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And we will schedule another interview for you where you will have to include more details about your project
Okay, sir.
in your resume. And I
Mm.
also see some formatting issues in your resume. So please correct them.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Mm.
And your for now your resume has very less details, right?
Okay, sir.
So try to include bit more details in your resume. Other than this, explain your project more
Okay.
and include team size and
Okay.
include your role in that project.
Oh, okay, sir. Definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ritvik.
Okay,
So,
sir.
Ritvik, can you share your feedback about mock interviews so that our group member who are scared of giving mock interviews, your feedback will help them.
I think if you give mock interview, it will be healthy environment between interviewer and me, sir. I can learn anything. I mean, if I had any fear about interview, from this onwards, I can improve my interview skills, right? I mean, communication
Yeah.
and I mean, how we want to explain the problem, and as you earlier said that how we want to approach for the problem, right? If
Hmm.
you give mock interview, it will be definitely helpful for the freshers, sir.
Yeah.
So, so yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Ritvik. Thanks
Okay,
a
sir.
lot for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. We will meet again. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.